The origin and process of 3D printing. Welcome to the fascinating world of 3D printing, a revolutionary technology that has transformed the way we design, manufacture, and create objects. In this video, we'll explore the origin and process of 3D printing. But before we begin, if you haven't yet, hit subscribe to be notified of new video releases, behind-the-scenes exclusives, and you may even be in the running for some exciting 3D printed prizes from the most innovative companies from around the world. The concept of 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, emerged in the early 1980s. Visionaries set out to develop a method of manufacturing that could transform digital designs into physical objects, layer by layer. Step 1: Designing the digital model. It all starts with the creation of a digital model using computer-aided design or CAD software. This digital blueprint guides the 3D printer throughout the printing process. Step 2: Slicing the model. Once the digital model is ready, it's sliced into thin, horizontal layers. These layers serve as a guide for the 3D printer, enabling it to construct the object, one layer at a time. Step 3: Preparing the printer. Before printing can begin, the 3D printer needs preparation. This involves loading the appropriate printing material, such as plastic filament, resin, or powder into the printer's reservoir. Step 4: Printing the object. The printer extrudes, deposits, or hardens the printing material layer by layer, following the instructions from the sliced model. Techniques like fused deposition modeling, stereolithography, or selective laser sintering can be used. Step 5: Post-processing and finishing. Once the object is printed, some post-processing and finishing touches may be necessary. This can involve removing support structures, sanding rough surfaces, or applying coatings and paints to achieve the desired aesthetics. In conclusion, the process of 3D printing, from designing the digital model to the final post-processing, opens up endless possibilities for creation. Join us in the next video to explore the wide range of materials and applications of 3D printing.